ये वो पिछले बार में नहीं बोला, इसलिए गायब हो गया वो। कोई बात नहीं। हेलो। मीटिंग रूम अवेलेबल है तो। All of you take a screenshot this exercise. Take, and then I will give you answer. Okay? Is my audio video clear? ये कैसे आता है अपने से? प्रणव, okay, good. Open your video. Open your video. Take the screenshot. Later on with your demand, everything will be done. The revision of the chapters and exercise and question answer till today, because I am learning how to handle laptop. Okay, Amrita, good, thank you. In between it, if any problem is there, Amrita and Pranav, and any one of you, please let's say I mean respond me on the chat box. Harshita, Amrita, Prashant, Pallavi, Kumari, Mushkan, Seema, Archit, Vaibhav, Tushar, Archit, do it. Pratyush, Nikki, Archit, do it all of you. Okay? Now I will give you the answer. You simply, let's say, take down the screenshot taken. Taken now, screenshot. Okay, now take the answer. Simple exercise it. We reached Ranchi on 9 o'clock. For time, it is at, write down. We reached Ranchi at 9 o'clock. In place of on, write 9. Don't write the question. Yes, Amrita, good, beta, good. Only write the answer. We reached Ranchi at 9 o'clock. Second one, the children are playing into the field. No, the children are playing in the field. In place of into, write down in the field. Yes, Harshita and Amrita, good, in the field. Next, the property has been disposed of. Any answer from your side? In the field. Nikki, good. इसको छोड़ दो, number 3. Now move to number 4. I cannot agree with your proposal. आई कैनॉट एग्री विथ, एग्री विथ जब आता है तो आदमी से होता है, जैसे आई कैनॉट एग्री विथ प्रणब, ओके, बट इफ इट इज प्रपोजल द प्रीपोजिशन विल बी टू, so agree to a proposal and agree with a person. I cannot agree to your proposal, okay. अंशु, ठीक है, डू इट. I cannot agree to your proposal. Fifth one, I insist on या upon, both are clear. His going at once, not him, his. I insist on his going there. I insist on his going there. Audio visual video going? Yes, Amrita, good, very good. Audio video clear and going, sound going. Pranab, Amrita, tell Babu, please tell, please help me, I am a new fellow and handling. Okay, thank you. Now write down. इसको दो आंसर हो सकता है, सिंपल एक आंसर लिखो. ग्रेटर होता है दो, तुम जानते हो, कॉम्परेटिव, कॉम्परेटिव सिर्फ दो से होता है. इसलिए लिखो कालिदास इज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल पोएट्स. यस, बट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेंटेंस विल चेंज. कालिदास इज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल पोएट्स, एस लगा दोगे यहां. या कालिदास इज ग्रेटर देन अदर पोएट्स. कालिदास इज ग्रेटर देन अदर पोएट्स, या कालिदास इज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल पोएट्स. नाउ नंबर 7. 7 नंबर, 7 का नहीं बेटा, ऐसे करो, जैसे यहां बेटर के लिए देन दिया हुआ है, कॉम्परेटिव के लिए बेटर देन श्याम, तो एज गुड के बाद कुछ नहीं है, यहां लिखो राम इज एज गुड एज. राम इज एज गुड एज पहले से होगा, कैसे होगा, ऐसे होता है ना. आई एम एज गुड एज दैट मैन, इन द सेम वे. मान लो यहीं तक सेंटेंस रहता, तो राम इज एज गुड श्याम नहीं होगा, राम इज एज गुड एज श्याम, तो यहाँ छूटा हुआ है राम इज एज गुड एज और बेटर देन श्याम, बाकी सही है, ओनली एड एज. ओके, नेक्स्ट. either of the 6 teams might win the cup. might modal से win v1 सही है, लिखो any of the 6 teams. Either is used only for 2, whereas the fact is that here in the sentence it is written 6. So write down either of the 6. Either of the 6 के जगह पे लिखोगे any of the 6 teams might win the cup. In place of either, write down any. Next. Wait. Ram knows the alphabets में से सटा. Ram knows the alphabet of English. Ram knows the alphabet of English. Ram knows the alphabets of English. Oh God, we are gone. Wait. Oh, wait 1 minute. Wait. Gone. Sharing is started. Written here, your screen, you are screen sharing. Okay. Now write number 10. The youngest of the three children are a girl. I am talking about a girl. Who is the youngest? Means one in place of one. I mean for one in place of are, use is. The youngest of the three children is a girl. Pranav, audio video clear now? In some days, I will be also able to handle everything. Okay. Finished? The youngest of the three children is a girl. Now, politics. Politics is a name of one subject, and here written it is give. S doesn't means plural all the time. For example, mathematics, physics. So in place of give, write down gives. Okay. Harsita, yes. Bara. Wait, let me see. Yes, is a girl, Ansu. Written correct. Is a girl. Good. Now, politics gives a number of theories about the state. Okay. His knowledge of many languages are remarkable. R is wrong because he is talking about his knowledge, not about many languages. Before of the subject is there. His knowledge. Ushka, ek admi ka knowledge. So is remarkable. In place of R, age. Minute mistakes are there. Yes, yes, Aditya. Good. And do the exercise. Aditya, you are also a good student. Only devote yourself, honestly, and learn. Anybody can learn. Even I can learn physics or chemistry like you at this age. So no age bar. Don't think that I am this or that. और टीचर लोग का काम है थोड़ा डांटना गुस्साना ताकि तुम पढ़ो ठीक है his knowledge of many languages is remarkable. Now come next. There are many words which do not take preposition. About is useless. For example, I love my father. ऐसा नहीं बोलते हैं I love with my father. I love to my father. In the same way, discuss और describe ये दोनों के बात कोई प्रीपोजिशन नहीं होता तो इसको डिलीट करो इसको कट करो. Let us discuss the poems we have just read. Okay, let us. Harsh, Khushbu, everyone is doing. Only 25, 20 students are there. As you wish. ठीक है आदित्य. Now next. It is one of the best books that has been written. Tell me the answer. बुक नहीं होगा अंशु और दिमाग लगाओ वो तो सही लिखा हुआ है कैसे. I am talking about one books out of many books. He is one of the best boys होगा of the. ये books को जोड़ रहा है connector that conjunction और that जोड़ रहा है किसको books को तो books के बदले books है plural तो has के बदले have होगा. Okay, it is one of the best books that have been written. It is one of the best books that have been written. Clear? Oh God. That have been written. Yes, Khushbu. Right. Okay. Wait. Meeting is going on or disconnected? Hello? बाबू. हम्म. शेयरिंग कहाँ गया? नाउ विजिबल. विजिबल ना? यस सर. ओके अमृता. ये हो गया. प्लीज टेल मी दैट व्हाई यू हैव डन इट. टेल मी द आंसर. तुषार. गुड. Sometimes I get stuck. I don't know perfectly to handle the laptop or computer, I mean. Harshita, what happened? Please tell me that or why. WH word and that both are not applicable. So delete that, cut that, and simply write. Please tell me why you have done it. Only cut that. Okay? Please tell me why you have done it. That is replaced. Replaced means, let's say, completely deleted, cut. Okay? Next. Ram informed his father that he will come soon. Tell me the answer. Ram informed his father. Which one? 117 nahi. First tell me about 16. Ram informed. This is past tense. V2. So in place of will, you will write would. Ram informed his father that he would come soon. Okay. Ram informed his father. Yes, Khushbu. Very good. I'm forgetting your face. Tushar. I can't detect you. But still, whosoever is, both the answers are correct. Khushbu and Tushar. That he would. Why would? Because let's say past tense. The sentence is started in past tense. Informed that he would come. And Goenka, 5 of my class wants. 5 boys of my class wants to become a farmer. नहीं, to become farmer. 5 के साथ तो 5 boys जो सब्जेक्ट है मेरा, इसके साथ तो want लगेगा ही. 5 boys of my class want to become farmer. नहीं, wants नहीं होगा. Wants कैसे होगा? The subject is Amrita. Plural, 5 boys. Now next. All your books were stolen by thieves. Your all books, right? In this way. Your all books were stolen by thieves. बाकी सब सही है, सीरीज सही करो। योर्स होगा नहीं, योर ऑल बुक्स वर स्टोलन बाय थीव्स। ओके, आंचल, अंशु, डूइंग, डूइंग ना, अर्चित, अर्चित, हर्ष, हर्षिता, मुस्कान, निकी, पल्लवी, प्रशांत, रिया, राखी, साक्षी, संजना, all of you are doing your all books are Tushar, Vaibhav. Okay, okay. Now right. My friend came here by train. Yes. द भी हटाओ, विथ भी हटाओ। व्हीकल के लिए हमेशा बाई का इस्तेमाल होता है, बाई कार, बाई ट्रेन, बाई प्लेन। माई फ्रेंड केम हियर बाई ट्रेन। ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कैटल, नंबर के पहले ए लगता है ना, आर हो जाता है। इन प्लेस ऑफ इज इट इज आर। ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कैटल आर ग्रेजिंग इन द फील्ड। ओके, a large number of cattle are grazing in the field. A large number of cattle are grazing in the field. Now wait for another, let's say, exercise. Everything visible? This exercise? Please reply. हेलो अंशु, आ गया नया वाला? ठीक है, अब इसको करो। द पेन इज मच मोर चीपर। मोर और चीपर दोनों कॉम्परेटिव है, होगा नहीं, एक लगाओ। मच मोर चीप या मच चीपर देन दैट। ओके हर्षित। समटाइम्स आई गेट स्टक, पेज इधर उधर हो जाता है, अभी उतना पता नहीं चलता है, बट स्टिल the pen is much more cheap than that, or the pen is much cheaper than that. Okay, much cheaper than that, Tushar. Good. Next. The exhibition has been over. तो 10 days ago, 10 दिन पहले बता रहा है ना, हैज का हेड लिखो या वॉच कर दो। द एग्जीबिशन वॉच ओवर 10 days ago, या द एग्जीबिशन हैड बीन ओवर 10 days ago. Okay, yeah, had. Good, Amrita. Good, Anshu. Good, good children, because past tense, 10 days ago. Ago means past, complete past. The most of the people are fond of the cinema. लिखो यहाँ द हटाओ, यहाँ से most of the people are fond of cinema, यहाँ से भी द हटाओ। most of the people know that. Yes, Harshita, good. most of the people are fond of the cinema, भी काटो, cinema. I will later on tell you why the most of the people are fond of the cinema. Now next, everything in the room was covered with dust. Take the screenshot only and write the answer. Everything in the room was covered with dust. Covered हमेशा with होता है. Yes, Amrita. Next. Oh, wait. Advices नहीं होगा. He did not obey to his advice. He did not obey to his advice. Okay. Now here, sequence is wrong. Not only he was injured, but ruined. You're right. He was not only injured, but also ruined. He was not only, yes, good Khushbu. He did not obey to his advice. And this one, sixth one. He did not obey, oh sorry, he was not only injured, but also ruined. He was not only injured, but also ruined. He was not only, wait Harshita, he did not obey to his advice. He was not only injured, but also ruined. You will get here boarding and lodging. दोनों तो एक ही चीज हो गया ना. Boarding और lodging एक ही चीज होता है, इसलिए you write you will get here fooding and lodging, or you will get here boarding and fooding. Boarding भी वही होता है, रहने को बोलते हैं, lodging भी रहने को बोलते हैं. So you will write you will get here fooding and lodging. Okay, you will get here fooding and lodging. Yes, Tushar, good. Next, you are the man who have been chosen. Tell me the answer. Yes, Achal, good. Because I am talking about this sentence is talking about one person. My sound going there, na? Okay. My sound going? Adit, to his advices को advice करो. Advices का plural होता ही नहीं है. He did not obey to his advice. S हटा दो. और अब यहाँ आ जाओ. You are the man who has been chosen, because who is connector and conjunction here. So who is connecting man, one man singular who has been chosen. Now next, your watch is better than that of mine. Your watch is better than that of my watch. ऐसे लिखो. मेरे से अच्छा है नहीं, मेरे घड़ी से अच्छा है. Your watch is better than that of my watch. Okay? नहीं, हमसे भी अच्छा नहीं है. मेरा जूता तुमसे अच्छा नहीं है. मेरा जूता तुम्हारे जूता से अच्छा है. मेरी घड़ी तुम्हारे घड़ी से अच्छा है. योर वॉच इज बेटर देन दैट ऑफ माई वॉच. हाँ, यहां तुम मी ठीक लिखे हो हर्षिता. बिटवीन यू एंड मी देयर इज नो सीक्रेट. गुड. इन प्लेस ऑफ आई, नॉमिनेटिव केस, बिटवीन यू एंड मी देयर इज नो सीक्रेट. गुड. बिटवीन आई यू नहीं अमृता, प्लीज चेंज. आदित्य पीछे क्यों रहते हो, थोड़ा 8 में हैव का हैज करो। आदित्य, यू आर द मैन, मैन सिंगुलर, you connector, and that's why in place of have write down has. Okay, your अब आ गया, जो छूट गया छूट गया। between you and me there is no secret. Now insist, insist is a word which takes only on preposition. He insisted on, and if it is on paying, he insisted on paying my fee, school fees. He insisted on paying my, ना insist नहीं, ठीक है हर्षिता, तो पास्ट रहेगा, और इंसिस्ट भी होगा तो एस लगेगा। ही insisted on paying my school fees. He insisted on paying my fees. Okay, insisted on paying my fees. Yes, Tushar, good. Now let me see other page, where to get the next page. चलो ये 3 भी कर लो, no problem. Common errors. Every morning I go to school on the bicycle. हर व्हीकल के लिए बाई होता है, लेकिन बाइसिकल के ऊपर रहते हैं हम लोग, इसलिए ऑन द बाइसिकल होता है। ओके, नहीं आदित्य, अपने मन से नहीं लिखोगे। He insisted to paying, on paying. ओके, माई स्कूल, और फी नहीं, फीस लिखा हुआ तो फीस रहने दो। ऑन द बाइसिकल तुषार, यस, गुड। And next, can you translate this letter into English? Can you translate this letter into English? I did not buy either of the 3 books, any of the 3 books, because 3 is there, so not either, any. Okay? इसमें और पेज कहाँ है? Okay, now do this. Page gone there? Into English, yes. He is senior to me, yes. Do fast, 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 because time running fast. He is senior, junior, superior, inferior, all 2. Learn this. Senior, junior, superior, inferior, preferable. All these words take which one? 2. My father generally complies with all my requests, means fulfills, agrees. My father always complies with all my requests. Next, I wish to live in New Delhi. I wish to live in New Delhi. When I arrived at the station, take the screenshot and simply later on do it and send it to me. हाँ, ज्यादा बड़ा हो गया था। Okay. When I arrived at that station, I nearly missed the train. I do not approve of your action, means whatever you done or did, I cannot approve. I do not approve. I cannot approve of your action. आंसर 2 कहाँ के लिखे हो? नंबर रहे तब ना, F का। We should feel sorry for the unfortunate victims. Yes, correct. We should feel sorry for the unfortunate victims. Next. Yes, Nikki. Ansu. Now this one, 12th one. He told me he believed in love. He believed in love at first sight. He told me he believed in love at first sight. Harshita, correct. This medicine, which tests for moth balls, is a wonderful cure for insomnia. Insomnia, बीमारी, नींद नहीं आने की बीमारी को बोलते हैं. Okay? Yes, Harshita. This medicine, which test of moth balls is a wonderful cure for insomnia. She is homesick with her family and pining for her native country. Means she wants to go to her native country. She is homesick with her family and pining for her native country. Next, she was bent. और जहां कट जाएगा, टाइम हो रहा है. And again we will meet next week. रुको आदित्य, 12 देखते जाओ. She was bent on या upon, दोनों लगता है, एक ही बात है दोनों का. She is bent upon having that scooter. Now she is disappointed with it. Audio video clear? Going? Audio video? Pranav, are you here? Okay, Amrita. हाँ, yeah. होने वाला है. There is no problem. She was bent on having that scooter. Now she is disappointed at it. Stop brooding over your trouble. चिंता नहीं करते हैं अपने problems के लिए. Stop brooding over your problems. Okay? Or you will end by dying with a broken heart. Or you will end